Hey, take a moment and picture yourself hitting play without that familiar hesitation, no stutters, no lag spikes, no wondering if your laptop is good enough. The Alienware 16 Aurora is for the person who feels quality the moment they see and use it, not just read a spec sheet. Before you do anything else, go check the current price and stock, because machines like this don't stay at steady availability forever. You've probably settled for gaming rigs that are almost there. They look good on paper, but in real moments they just don't keep up with how fast your instincts want to move. You know that split-second frustration when a fight gets intense and your screen hesitates? The second you fire this laptop up, that tension evaporates. All of a sudden your reactions aren't waiting on your hardware, they're leading the experience. That XGA display at 120 Hz? It doesn't just look sharp, it feels responsive. Motion feels smoother, aiming feels more intuitive, and the visuals just connect with your eyes instead of lagging behind them. And it isn't just gaming. Whether you're switching between apps, editing media, or streaming your favorite show, everything just feels calmer, more capable, like your system is finally keeping pace with you. Imagine late-night sessions where frames feel fluid, textures stay crisp, and you're fully in the moment instead of pulling away to wait for things to load or redraw. Even heavier workloads that used to sputter now feel like background noise, it just flows. Once you've felt this level of performance, anything less feels like a compromise you've simply outgrown. Every time you consider cheaper alternatives, your mind keeps drifting back here because you already know what real, dependable performance feels like. Don't let hesitation over price swings or stock quirks be what keeps you from a setup that actually serves you. Delay here turns into regret later. You'll remember the old lags not as nostalgia, but as relief once they're gone. And if you're wondering whether this kind of power really matters, here's what surprises most people: it's not just speed, it's confidence. You sit down and instantly trust that your machine won't hold you back. That's not a small thing. That's the difference between playing and performing. Responsiveness that feels immediate, visual sharpness that feels natural, performance that doesn't quit on you, fluid multitasking without hesitation, confidence you finally own the right gear. It's a pricier step up from basic laptops. High performance naturally draws more power. At some point you stop cycling through specs and just choose the machine you keep imagining, because nothing else keeps pulling you back in the same way. Check the current price and availability now and make the upgrade your future self will thank you for.